Hello and welcome back. So I really wanted to do an ASMR style video for you, but unfortunately my car and my phone were connected, so there is no sound on this video. I was so upset when I realized it, but I didn't want to lose the footage and it go to waste. And so I decided to go ahead and show you like a little haul and just put music over the part where I was organizing and putting everything away. I ordered a few things off Amazon. I was super excited to show you. So we're going to do the haul first and then we'll go ahead and organize everything else together. We're going to start off with this right here. This is a miniature trash can that I ordered off Amazon. I had this in my previous car and I really liked it until it broke. I was having trouble finding something that would match the interior of my car, and I cannot lie, I did do a little DIY. I spray painted the bin so it would blend in a lot better with the interior of my car, which I really wanted. I really like this bin and I really wanted it again, so it's just something I had to do so it would work. But the color, I don't know if you can see it or not. I just showed you the clip. It's a little bit more yellow than what I really wanted. So it didn't really match the interior. That's why I just decided to paint it all, and it really looks a lot better and it, blends in as well. Next up is this umbrella shade I purchased off Amazon. You put this on your windshield. I had this in my previous car as well, but it was a lot smaller, so I had to order a new one. The windshield in this car is a lot bigger, but I really like it. As you can see, it comes in this little pouch right here, and it's a lot easier to put away and fold than those typical big bulky shades. I really like this. You can keep this tucked under your seat or on the side of your door. Plus, the material is very durable and it covers the entire windshield. I purchased this windshield cleaner. I really wanted this for my car. I saw somebody on TikTok with it. I found it at my local TJ Maxx, which made me really happy because it was only $7.99. It comes with a little interchangeable wipes and your sprayer, so it makes, cleaning your windshield a lot quicker than trying to clean in those hard to reach areas. I want to say the process is definitely going to be easier now that I have this, because I always left, streaks while trying to clean my windshield every single time. I love adding a steering wheel cover to my steering wheel. I don't know why, I just like to protect the original steering wheel of the car, but I really wanted something that matched the interior. And since my car is a cream and brown color, I decided to go for the cream color. That way it matched the seats. I was a little worried it wasn't going to match, but I want to say it did match well, so that was exciting. So this car has a screen, something I've never had before, and I like to keep it, as clean as possible. But since you're constantly touching it, putting GPS or, putting your music, you need something to wipe it down with. I saw somebody on TikTok with this and thought it was adorable, so I decided to purchase one with the color of the interior of the car as well. And you just spray it and use the exterior of the sprayer to wipe down the screen, making the process a lot cleaner, which is going to be awesome since you're constantly using the screen. My center console in this car has a very small divider, which I do not like. I wanted something more bigger like this so it could separate the top and the bottom. Luckily, I found something on Amazon that's going to help me. I'm just going to sit this right inside the console, and this is going to help me, keep things all organized. I'm going to put things that I constantly use on top and then things that I don't tend to use very often on the bottom. So I'm super happy I found this. So I tend to keep an emergency kit in my car. I'll be adding a few things like this hand sanitizer that I got, these hand wipies that I purchased at the Dollar Tree. I thought the little thing was super cute, so that's why I decided to purchase it. And for $1.25, I thought that was not a bad deal. So yeah, this is going to be, in my car somewhere where I can reach for it really quickly. You know how me and my allergies are. I tend to keep Kleenex, so I'm stocking up on Kleenex as well, so that way I have them on hand when I run out with the one I have in the car. I also realize I tend to need some type of like little knife or scissors in my car. I found these foldable scissors on Amazon, which I was super happy to purchase. It comes in a 3-pack, and I gave the other 2 to my sisters that work in the hospital, which I know they need to use this very often. You just fold them back up and just, boop, easy, ready to go again. And actually during this video I do use them, which is kind of funny. So yeah, this is a new addition to, my emergency kit style stuff for the car. Then I purchased some goo that I found at the Dollar Tree. Yes, this was only $1.25. I already had this little container in my house from like a scrub. So I just put this little, I want to say like slime inside, and I'm just going to be keeping it in my car, put away. So this is going to help me to dust the car when it gets dusty instead of having a whole little wipey to keep it clean. And finally, I bought this little key cover for my keys, which I thought was super adorable. It fit right over the key fob perfectly. All you have to do is put the year and the type of car that you're driving on Amazon and just put up that you are looking for key covers, and it will pop up anything that will match or fit your key fob. And I really like the way these look, especially, the gold detail and the little leather strap at the end. That's what really caught my attention. And when I put it on my key fob, it fit perfectly fine. So now I just hang them to the rest of my keys, and it just is something simple but very aesthetic and cute. When you need to pull out your keys, this is what you pull out. So adorable. as you can see, it started raining as I was filming this for you all, but the last thing I decided to open was the windshield wiper cleaner, which it's okay, I didn't get to show you putting it away because I'm ordering an organizer for the back of my car, and that is where she will be living for all like the bigger organizing items. The little trash can fit perfectly fine, everything when it's, rightful place. The little windshield umbrella went behind the seat underneath, as you saw, and it fit perfectly fine down there, which I'm super happy about. And I fell in love with the steering wheel color and the cover itself. It's super, super soft, everybody. If I can find the link, I will link that below. And then I decided to show you guys my water bottle. This actually belonged to my daughter, but I really liked it one day when I took it to work and realized it matched the interior of my car. And I was like, daughter, can I please keep it? And she said yes. So that's what I was telling you guys right here. So yeah, she just lives in my car with water and ice, and it stays like that most of the day, which is a reason I really like the cup. But yeah, we are done with this little haul and organization style video. But thank you guys all so much for sticking around and watching this video and just taking the time out of your day to click on the video and watch it. Again, thank you so, so much. I will see you in our next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.